Hi, in this video we'll learn how to add a whole number and a fraction. So to add a whole number and a fraction, what I'm going to do is I'll combine this whole number and the fraction and write them together in the form of mixed fraction. So I'm going to show you 5 and 1/6. 5 plus, basically you're adding this 5 plus 1/6 can be written as 5 and 1/6. And that makes sense because mixed fraction is made up of a whole number and the fraction. So when you combine a whole number and a fraction, when you add a whole number and a fraction, you're going to get the mixed fraction. Now, if I want to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, we can convert this mixed fraction into a fraction. And whenever we convert a mixed fraction into a fraction, we always end up with the improper fraction, right? So I'm going to just convert this into an improper fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the whole number with the fraction's denominator. So this is going to give me 5 times 6, which is 30. And then whatever I get, I have to add that to the numerator. So here I'm going to add this. 5 times 6 is going to give me 30, and 30 plus 1 is going to give me 31. So I'm going to get 31 here in the numerator. And then we don't change the denominator. So we're going to leave the denominator as 6. So if you want to add a whole number and a fraction, you can write that in the form of mixed fraction, because remember that mixed fraction is made up of whole number and fraction. And then if you want to convert that mixed fraction into a fraction, you can always convert that into an improper fraction. Now let's do this. 4 plus 3/5. 4 plus 3/5 can be written as 4 and 3/5. Right? So you combine the whole number and the fraction and write them together in the form of mixed fraction. So when you add a whole number and fraction, you get the mixed fraction, right? Now I'm going to convert this real quick into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number with the fraction's denominators, right? So 4 times 5 gives me 20, and then we add the numerator to it. So 20 plus 3 is going to give me 23, so I can put 23 on top, and then the denominator will still be 5. We don't change the denominator, right? So this is going to be 23 over 5. Now let's do this one. 7 plus 5, 8. So I'm going to combine these two together and write it together in the form of mixed fraction. So this is going to be 7 and 5/8. So I have written my answer in the form of mixed fraction. Now if you want, you can convert this into improper fraction again by multiplying the whole part with the fraction's denominator. So this is 7 times 8 is going to give me 56, and then we add it to the numerator. So 56 plus 5 is going to give me 61. So I'm going to put 61 in the numerator, and we don't change the denominator, right? So the denominator is going to be 8. So that's how you add a whole number and a fraction and then write that in the form of mixed fraction, and then you can always convert that mixed fraction into a fraction and write that in the form of improper fraction. I hope you feel comfortable in adding a whole number and a fraction now. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel and want to see more videos on other math topics, be sure to subscribe down below and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.